Hi, this is Darren, and I'm bringing to you today a review of the Work Pro shears. Now, this is for trimming shears for doing trimming work on a tree or a bush or something like that. And these are going to save your hands. Now, I know using the regular hand clippers, after a while doing that, your hand gets tired. So this is going to save your hands. So it's going to really help me when my hands are sore. I can just keep going with this. This kit is really nice too. It comes with these 2 batteries and the charger. So we like those kind of tools that come with everything you need. You don't have to buy the batteries separately. So that's going to save you a good value. And you can just pop them in and out like that. They're pretty small. And here's the charger right here. It's got a pretty long cable on it that plugs in on both ends, but you just stick that in there and you can charge it right up. Orientate it, they're kind of a triangle in there, and so you just mount it in there like that, pop it in, and you're good to go. Now you can turn this tool on. You hit the bottom part right here and you hold it in, and then when you get the 2 short beeps or the 3 short beeps, whatever it was, it turns on, and you got actually an LCD screen that gives you a readout of your battery. It's at 100% right now, and another number 25. To use it, you press the trigger, but it won't go on the first try because it's kind of like a safety in case, I don't know, in case it was on and you pulled it out of here or something. But it's a little bit of safety, but you have to hit it twice. 1, 2, and you get the beep. And now you're ready. The next time you hit it, it's going to move. See, like that. And so it's kind of a little safety. So I like to have that little safety feature there because you don't want to get your digits in the way of that thing. That's for sure. So it's got this nice grip on here, so you're not going to lose grip on it. Real comfortable. You could use this for quite a while, I think, without having any issues with it. So really like this, and it's going to save me a lot of time. It does come with the 2 batteries, so one wears out, you can keep going and charge the other one. So that's a nice feature. Love how Work Pro really sets you up for everything you need. I happen to have a branch here in my house. Now this is, gosh, it's probably 1/2 inch or 3/4 right there. And as you can see, it'll cut through it. Just lops right through that. Here's a little smaller piece, cuts it right off. Let's go up here to this small guy, right off. Here's a bigger one, about a 1/2 inch. Look at how easy that is. Let's cut off that big piece. Perfect. It just keeps cutting. It's just like cordwood. Cut that right through. Look at that. That thing works nice. And these, you know, like I say, that's fairly thick there. That's about 1/2 inch there, maybe a little less. But that one piece was about 3/4, so really happy about that. So I really highly recommend the Work Pro shears, and I hope this review helps you.